Welcome to Quick English Practice. Question number 1. Identify the error. He enjoy to play cricket. A. Enjoy. B. To. C. Play. Answer is A. Enjoy. Question number 2. She has been working here 2020. A. From. B. For. C. Since. Answer is C. Since. Question number 3. She sings than her sister. A. Good. B. Better. C. More better. Answer is B. Better. Question number 4. Neither the teacher nor the students present. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was. Answer is A. Are. Question number 5. She is a teacher. A. Is she? B. Does she? C. Isn't she? Answer is C. Isn't she? Question number 6. If I rich, I would travel the world. A. Were. B. Am. C. Was. Answer is a were. Question number 7. The children playing in the park. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were. Answer is C. Were. Question number 8. He did not the answer. A. No. B. Knew. C. Known. Answer is a no. Question number 9. I am looking forward meeting you. A. For. B. To. C. At. Answer is B. To. Question number 10. He is taller his brother. A. Then. B. Than. C. That. Answer is B. Then.